Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. Today we will discuss about the conditions in Kotlin. Before going to discuss about the conditions in Kotlin, just we will brief about the functions. In previous session we discussed about the functions. See here in this one return type is also possible to do like this. Without writing like this, we can write directly equal to a plus b. This will also return the same value like previously. Okay, so here what we do, same thing will be work here. Okay, now one more thing is also possible. For example, if we write a show toast method in this one, method is nothing but a function only. Function, we're writing on function, that is show toast. Function show toast. In this, first we will pass the argument show toast. First we will pass the argument a colon int comma b colon int. For this we will write toast dot make text this comma dollar $a and dollar $b comma duration of the toast message long dot show. Okay, this one is also possible. Okay, for example, here in for sub click I am writing show toast method I am calling for sub button. For example, so if you click on sub button, I will get like this edt1 edt2 string. Okay, this is about the functions. We'll see. The application is running now. Now the application is running. Here I am entering the value 2. After that I am entering the value 5. Now sum is 7. See, previously I am returning the value like this. Without return a keyword, I am directly writing a plus b. So it is also giving the value. Now after that, if I am clicking sub button, what do we write in sub button? Just we are calling the show toast function. Show toast function means this one. Now the output is 2 comma 5. If I click on sub button, output is 2 and 5. Output is 2 and 5. See here, we written like this only. This is about the toast function. Now we will move to the conditions in Kotlin. Okay, conditions in Kotlin. How to write the conditions in a Kotlin? Now we are taking a new project for creating condition examples. Okay, now create here condition examples. See here, this is the package name we are giving here. This is the location what we are storing. Language type we are selecting here. This one is Kotlin or Java. See here, if I select I'm selecting here is a project type, condition, app folder, src, main. In this folder we are writing the design files, where in layout activity underscore main.xml file. In Java file we will write Kotlin type languages, Kotlin type conditions, that is Kotlin conditions we will write in main file. See, for example, here I am creating on text box. Here I am creating on design file. For example, here I am writing edit text box. Edit text box. Edit text box. Here I am writing edit text, match parent. See here, I need to write center. I need to write a center for these. ID underground ID plus ID EDT1 EDT1. Next, here we will take linear layout. Okay, no need this one, no need this one. It is coming by default. No need this one. Next, hint. In hint we will write please enter a value. Please enter a value. Okay. After that we are writing one more UI component, that is button. Button is required here to get the value. Okay. Yes. Button. Here we will write the button name is as BT1. Yes. No hint is required here. We will write text component. We will place button 1 get. Okay. Please enter value. Here we will write the orientation. Why? Because we need to set the components vertically. So orientation is required here, vertical. So button get and the value here. Height I am mentioning somewhat 100 dp density pixels. Okay. This one is completed now. Now we will write the click listener. Event for button. Event for button we will write here. How to write an event? Already we learned this one. How to write listener events? Previously we learned it, right? What is that? For example, bt1 dot set on click listener. Here we need to get the button value first. Set on click listener. In this we will write how to write this value. Previously we already written, right? Set on click listener. bt dot set on click listener. Okay, how to write the value here? For example, value here value x is equals to 10. Value x is equal to 10. If value x is equal to 10 and value y is equal to value x is equal to 10 and value y is equal to 20. Now the condition is what is the maximum value? Value maximum means highest value. Highest value is how to find the value? Generally we will write if condition. If of a greater than b. Here we will written x value. So x y. If x greater than y, we will print x. Else what we print? Y value will print. Okay. If x value is greater than y, x will print, else y. How this condition will work? It is like a regular expression what we will write generally in core Java, right? A greater than b is okay, then the conditional operator with a. So highest value will be print maximum. Okay. Now the toast value. Toast dot make text. Toast dot make text. This comma maximum value. What is the maximum value? Highest value. Highest value. Comma toast dot length underscore long dot show. Okay. Now I am running it. If you observe in the code, we are given here values statically, not we are getting these values from the edit text box. Just for now, I have taken the values from that static values 10 and 20. I am not taking from the edit text, just to show the how it works. Okay. See, for example, even without giving any value also it will work. See, for example, between 10 and 20, what is the highest value? It is printing directly 20. Here I am not giving any value. Why? Because it is taking the values, static values. Now what I want to do is I want to place the values dynamic. For example, here I am taking only one value here. Now I am writing one more button. Now I am writing one more button to take EDT2. Okay, EDT2. Please enter a second value. Please enter a second value. Please enter a second value. It's a first value, EDT2. For example, here I'm making it as dynamic now. How to make it dynamic? How to get the values? EDT1 dot text dot to string dot again to int. Now I'm writing one more thing, EDT2 dot text dot to string dot to int value. Now we will get these values from the edit text boxes. Now the application APK is installing. Now the APK is installed. Here I am entering the value 1 and the second value is 4. What is the biggest value now? 4 only. Biggest value is 4. Okay. This is about the conditions. This is about the conditions in Kotlin. Now how to write when condition? When is also there. For example, here I am making it as comment. I will share all this one as all this source code into a Git repository. No problem. I will share each and every application with you guys. Okay. Now I'm writing value x equal to 100. Value x is equal to 100. Now I'm writing when condition. When of x open close brace, when of x open close brace. Here I am writing 100. I am writing toast message, toast dot length make text this comma. When it will print, if it is a 100, then only this one will print. Otherwise you will write one else condition for this. Okay, this is 100. Now we will write this is 100 comma toast dot length underscore long dot show. We will write one more condition, else. That means if it is not 100, I am writing condition toast dot, you need to write here, toast dot length underscore long, toast dot make text this comma toast dot, it's not 100 comma toast dot length underscore long dot show. I am writing here. Okay, no need to place commas. Sorry, not comma, semicolons. No need to place any semicolons here. We'll see why, sir. Now directly I am taking the values. Okay. Why? Because here I am taking x is 100. I am taking static values. Guys, remember it. I am not taking the value from the edit text boxes. Directly I have given x equal to 100. Okay. For example, here I will write, instead of 100, I will write edt1 dot text dot to string dot to integer. Here I am getting the value from first text box. Now if I enter the value in edit text 1, if I enter the value in edit text 1, I will get the value from edit text box. Static value, it is not static values, those are dynamic values. Okay. Now see, here I am entering 250. See here, output, it's a not 100. Now it is going to else condition. Now it is going to the else condition. If it is when x is 100, then this condition will be executed. If it is not 100, then this condition will be executed. Okay, this is about the functions and we are written, this is about the conditions in a Kotlin. Now tomorrow we'll continue with one more chapter. Guys, all these applications and examples will share through the Git link. Please learn it. Okay, thank you guys. Tomorrow we'll continue with one more chapter.